I'm going to go for a celeriac soup. So, this is the celeriac. It's just been tidied up a little bit because normally you have this little bit of extra bit coming out here, but that's been chopped off. And that's how I bought that from the shop. Okay, so this is on. Put the pan on, start warming it up slowly. A little bit of oil, not too much. Okay. Les oignons. S'il vous plaît. Oui, oui. Okay. That's getting hot. We're gonna. It's also a puree soup. So we're gonna cut it quite. So we're gonna cut it quite small. So 1, 2, 3, 4 through the centre, and then down. Use those bits. So the pan's nice and hot, so I just take it off the heat. 1, 2, that's 3 on that one. Through the centre. Careful not to cut our fingers. Got to be very careful. Sharp knives. Cut them in half. Again. 1, 2, 3 through the centre. 1, 2, 3, and then chop that bit. And I think that will just about do it. So that's 1.5 of those medium-sized Spanish onions. So pan. Let's get the pan. Is it hot? No sizzle. Let's give it a few seconds on there. There we go. Okay. And we drop the onions in there, like so. There we are. Beautiful. Now, we're on to the vegetables. So I'm not going to use all of this. There's quite a lot there. I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to, if we just peel it, I'll just cut the end off. Just hit the head. Cut that end off. It's a bit ropey. Give an eye on that. Spoon. With a spoon. And then I'm just going to cut round, like so. Just cut the skin off it. It's not easy with a peeler. If you have one. Okay. So in there, I'm going to add a little bit of sea salt. So that's 1.5 Spanish onions. I've got that's half the celeriac. I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. So we'll go down a minute. One, that way. So we'll cut it into kind of strips, and then we'll cut it across the other way. Get nice little chunks. Oh, on the floor. We don't want it on the floor. Again, cut it into nice kind of strippy bits. Cut it across, nice chunks. There we go. Keep an eye on the onions. Don't want to burn the onions. Okay, now. I've also got 3 cloves of garlic there that I'm just going to slice up. And we're just going to put those in the soup. Like so. Put those in there. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. As you can see, the onions are starting to get translucent in colour. Now I'm going to drop the celeriac in the pan, like so. Yes, so beautiful. Okay, I'm also going to put a little bit of rosemary. Oh, a bit of garlic flying there. Let's get rid of that. So just open the packet. A few. So let's stick this. Let's use. So just get the sprig. Pull my fingers down. So it all comes up. And we can just drop that in there. That was like 1 sprig. That will give the celeriac a nice rosemary, earthy kind of flavour. Okay. Lovely, jubbly. Okay, do that. Hot. Wash my hands. Okay, can you see that? So you've got the celeriac in there. Ooh. Bit of rosemary falling on the hot plates for the burner. It smells really good. Okay. So in there, I'm just going to drop stock cube. I'm going to use use maybe half a stock cube, do half one. For now, get rid of that. Okay. So in there, I'm going to add a little bit of white pepper as well. So you've got onions, garlic, celeriac, sprig of rosemary, and half a Knorr stock cube. So now I'm going to add about 500 millilitres of water. Okay, so we're rolling. We're rolling with the celeriac and rosemary soup. So that's 500 ml. I'm just going to cover it. That's looking. Celeriac soup can take quite a bit of water. So that's, how much is that? So I'm going to put 400 millilitres in there for now. I'm going to boil it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. Come back, and if we need any more water, we'll just top it up a little bit more to thin it down, and then we'll have a look. So celeriac soup's on there. 10-15 minutes to boil it, then we'll finish it off. Right, so my celeriac's been boiling away on there for about 15 minutes now. As you can see, it's kind of there. And some of the water's evaporated. The vegetables are, the celeriac is nice and soft, the onions are nice and soft. Let's have a quick taste of that liquid. You can taste the flavours there. So now we're going to finish the soup off. Take it off the heat. Now it looks like it's going to need more water. However, I will start blitzing it first, and then we'll have another look. We'll have another reassessment. I've got hot liquid. Always be careful, because we don't want to burn ourselves. This is pureeing really, really easily. Okay, so now you can see that it needs a little bit adjusting. So just a little bit of water in there. Okay. Always try not to rush it though. Sometimes it might feel like it's taking time to get through it, but just be careful. Again, tiny little bit more water. See that? Still got a few laps in there. Let's try and get on. There's one. There you go. Any more in there? So again, it's a little bit. So now it's a good consistency. Okay, so there we go. Let's have a taste of the soup. What it tastes like. Celeriac and rosemary. I'll put a little bit more salt in there. A wee bit more pepper. And then I'm going to give it one final blitz. is looking so creamy, so smooth, that I don't think I'm going to pass it. So, one bowl. Celeriac. And then I'll just pour it in there like so. Okay. And then, do you know what? I'm just going to leave it completely plain. So that's the celeriac soup with a little bit of rosemary and puree style soup.